Okay, wiring. Wiring is going in. I've got it all wired up. Sort of, kind of. Water tanks. Water tanks are going in. They're all in their kind of. Assumed positions. So here it is, the final beam is going in, which means the final tiny piece of the old trailer is coming out. Let's see if I can do it with my hands. I probably can't. I was gonna have a big like production of it, but oh, maybe I can. Yeah! Well, that's not the final piece then. This is the final piece, I guess. All right, buy old trailer, rotten wood and burnt wood, and hello new wood.
Hello new wood.
All right. Whew.
Did you cut ones for this?
Here we go.
Oh.
Wait, what? Yeah. I've also been patching all of these holes. There's like 50 million of them on this one wall. So those have all been patched. Everything's gonna be waterproof. Oh my gosh. It's pretty crazy exciting. Well, I've got to do these, I guess, still, but anyway. So here's this and the beam. We're going in. Look, look. It's a buddy. Hi. Hi, buddy. Oh, that ant is scary, isn't it? Okay, so for the insulation, I got this stuff. It seemed to have the best reviews, and I didn't want something that would hold moisture, get moldy, stuff like that. And it seems to be freaking awesome. So with my like mold sensitivities and stuff, and not knowing there's like tiny minute holes all over the aluminum, things like that, kind of sealing it and insulating it and all that in one. And yeah, so I'm giving it a good review. Sprayman's a good man. Okay, I want to show you this really cool old like sunshade that goes over the window. I painted it, and when I painted it, you see that S that came out? I obviously have to repaint after doing the silver, but you can see it, and it has the retro like three shading and everything. We're gonna work on bringing that out because it's awesome. Okay, so we're showing more progress of insulation and things. This is my metal cabinet that I just had to have, and then I had to have it sawn the bottom off so we could bend it to get it to fit in the door. So we're gonna put that back together, and I'm gonna start staining the walls and polyacrylicing them, putting what I can up. I'm waiting on some more cans of insulation to finish the roof. And this side, and I have some paint for windows and countertop, and things like that. So yeah. I guess I'm gonna also get to painting this stuff. Got my solar panels, everything, and here are the doggos just waiting patiently at the gate. Like, hey, when's our house gonna be done, Moro? Do you like it? Do you like your new house? She does not care. She's like, just pet me. Right? You ready, V? The girls are ready. These girls. All right, here we go. Okay, one board done, and I'm in love with the color. It is like the same vintagey, orangey wood that was originally in the trailer. What I'm using is this pecan, and it's a stain and poly in one step, and I've never used it before, but I figured, heck, why not? I'll obviously, you know, sand the drips and do a second coat, but less work, if this works out, is so much better. So I'm pretty excited about it. 7 more to go.